At National Life Group, we celebrate those making a significant difference in the lives of students. We are proud to introduce National Life Group's LifeChanger of the Year, a program that recognizes and rewards K-12 educators and school employees who go above and beyond for our children. Nominations for National Life Group's LifeChanger of the Year come from parents, students, teachers and administrators, and other members of the community, giving everyone a chance to recognize the dedication and hard work of our educators and school staff. There is no cost or obligation, and nominations can be easily submitted online at LifeChangeroftheYear.com. By nominating a Life Changer, you're giving educators and staff a chance to win cash prizes up to $20,000 to share equally with their schools. So visit LifeChangeroftheYear.com or contact a National Life Group agent for more information or to nominate your Life Changer today.